Welcome to Fareclock, where we automate timekeeping and control attendance. Hi there, I'm Shine. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through one of Fareclock's most innovative features, facial recognition and enrolling face models. Let's explore the basics of enrolling face models in Fareclock. Method 1. Worker clock in, admin, approval. First, instruct the worker to clock in and the application will notify the worker that the face is not recognized. After this, the system will notify the worker that the punch is pending face recognition. Now let's set up for the admin. Fareclock is configured by default to allow new workers to clock in even if their face is not recognized. The punch will be flagged and you need to review the punch in the admin console. In the console dashboard, the admin can verify if the worker in the picture matches the person attempting to clock in. Upon approval, a window prompt will appear indicating that the clock in will convert to punch, but you can choose to skip this step. When the picture is approved, you can check it in the user settings under Face Model. There, you can set the photo as the avatar or remove the face model. Now let's have method 2, face enrollment via admin time clock. Go to a time clock and from the home screen, click on the menu icon, the 3 stacked blue lines in the upper left corner to log in to the time clock's administrator settings. You will see a menu list, tap on workers and you'll be directed to a login screen where you'll need to log in with your administrator credentials. After logging in, you'll see the full list of workers. You can add a new worker or enroll a face model for an existing worker. Once you've made your selection, you'll see a list of worker actions and tap on Enroll Employee Face. At this point, the worker needs to stand in front of the device and push the Start button. The worker's face will appear on the screen. If a human face is detected, the device will quickly capture the photo. If the worker's face is lost at any point, the process will start. The system will process the photo. If successful, you will see Accepted on your screen. If not, tap the back button in the upper left and try again. You can repeat the procedure to enroll the other employee faces as well. Finally, for the last method, method 3, console-based face model enrollment. In this last method, navigate to the Fareclock admin console and go to Settings. Find the user section and select the worker for whom you will enroll the face model. After selecting the user, you will find the settings option underneath where you can locate face model. Once selected, you have the option to either choose a file or drag it into the page. If you're using a desktop computer, drag a JPEG photo file onto the page and select Add to Face Model. You can repeat this process for multiple photos. If you are using an iPad or tablet, click on Choose File to upload a photo or take a new one of the employee using the device. When the file is successfully uploaded, a window will appear with options for the uploaded picture. You can either add the picture to the face model, clear it, detect a face, verify the employee, or identify it within the organization unit. Every time you upload a picture for the face model, this window will pop up and you need to choose the option to Add to Face Model. You need to take note that uploading random photos in the admin console is not the preferred method to enroll an employee's face in our system. The face recognition is sensitive to changes in the scale or resolution of the photos. Our app fixes the photo resolution so that it remains consistent at all times. Uploading a photo with a different resolution could result in it not being recognized later. If you need to use this method, please obtain photos with a size of 480 by 640 pixels, which is the resolution our app uses. Thank you for watching this tutorial on enrolling face models in Fareclock. For more guides and tips, be sure to visit our help center at support.fareclock.com. Happy time tracking! Bye!